Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to earn or a platform which I invest in, and I feel it would be good for you guys to invest in also. You can also invite your friends. As you can see, I'm also earning in this platform, so you can also invite your friends and family, and I believe you also can earn. That's why I'm bringing this video to you. This video is about the Enuri platform, a great platform, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to register using my referral link, how to activate, how to earn daily, and also how to withdraw. So stay tuned. If you're new, this is Crypto Cipher. We post technical analysis on Bitcoin, analysis on meme coins, we post review on scam coins, and we also post crypto earning sites which I'm showing you guys. So if you want to earn in the crypto world, despite the bad market, you can earn in the earning site. I suggest you hit on the notification button and the subscription button so you get notified each time I make a video. So let's talk about the Enuri platform. Welcome back guys, and Enuri platform is an advertisement platform. The platform main objective is to bring products quickly to high rating and exposure. As you all know, anytime each product gets a high exposure or a high rating, they usually go upfront. Let's take for example, we are going to look at some products like the Gucci, the Veron, and cars that the celebrity use, and also some makeup accessories which the celebrity use. So we all know that after each use by the celebrity or the advertisement, the product which they use, like a cream or a bank or a credit card, the product always have more sales or more rating, or it will have more advertisements. So Enuri can also help in the advertisement at a cheaper rate, and it's also good because the whole world can be registered in this platform. As you can see, the platform is for the whole world. There is no country included, and I'll show you that also. So Enuri help in advertising the platform also, and also help in processing orders online. So if you want to improve your product sales online, I suggest you use the Enuri platform. So in this video I'll show you how to register, and let me quickly show you how to register. So guys, if you followed my link, or if you followed my link down below in the description button, you come either to this page or to the login page. So you can select register when it comes to the login page, and here you need to create a username. When creating a username, it should be a letter and a word combination, but notice there should be no space. If there's a space, it will be invalid. And also when creating the password, please make, if it's consisting of letters, let it be letters full, and if it's consisting of numbers, it should be number 2. Then you confirm the password, and if you follow my link, you'll be given this invitation code, or I'll specifically put it in the video so you can see it. But if you follow my link, or you see the you will see the invitation code down below. If you click it, this place will be filled. If it's not filled, it can't proceed. And you put in your phone number after you put in your country code. I told you this site is worldwide, it's global, it consists of a lot of country. So you put in the country code. Let's go back to register, and also the verification. The verification is always the 4 letters which is down below at this side. So after that, you click and then you will log in. So I'm going to log in now. Okay, my login is successful, and this is the home page of the site. The home page of the site consists of a lot of things. It consists of the home, the order, the graph, the online, and the my account, and I'm going to explain this all to you. So first of all, we have the deposit and we have the withdrawal. The deposit is for when you want to activate the earnings in the account, which is the top-up method, and I'll explain that. I'll also explain the withdrawal. But first, let's come down here, and if you come down after you finished with the unlock, first let's explain the eBay. Now the website has levels by level, so they have the entry limit which you have to activate first by a minimum amount, and with this first level you can have 50 daily orders. I'll explain the orders to you later. So with the 50 daily orders, you get the commission rate of 0.2% of whatever you deposit that day, and you can withdraw instantly on that day without waiting. And if you come, they also have the level 2 when you deposit higher, like 500 USDT, and with that your commission rate will be 0.28% of the 500 USDT, which you can also withdraw instantly that day, and your order will be 52 order. And coming down, with the higher amount you deposit, your higher the increase, your higher your commission rate, your higher your daily order. So before talking about the order, you come down here. This is to know the company profile, which is the origin of the company, Enuri, when it was founded, and there are various sites and the history. You can read about it all in the site. It was founded in 1999 and merged in October 14, and founded in 1998 and merged in October 1999. So also, if you come down here, you can see your promotion reward, your beginner tutorial. In case you're a beginner, you can come here and read everything about the site. And also you can see your invitation, where you can invite your friends, your VIP events, and the balance appreciation. I'll explain the balance appreciation, but now let me show you the orders. See down here, these are the earnings the user are getting every minute and withdrawing. So let's go to the order, so you can see now. This order, as you can see, all my orders for the day are completed and the products are being sold. So the promotion of this product and also like the orders, this is my remaining asset as of this moment. You can see it. My accumulated commission has been $1.31 since I did my second investment in this site. So the order is for when you grab, you come to the grab, and when you come to the grab, each time you click on to gain, or after you've deposited, you click on the automatic grab, and there will be a successful countdown to after the countdown, then you will be reloading, and then you get the order for that moment. But how will I put it? I've done my full order for the day, which is 50. It has been completed. So after the rolling, it will submit, and then when you submit, it will be completed. So this is my order for the day, and as you can see, it's already completed. So that is how to earn. You just deposit immediately, and you start making your order. You come here to the grab, and you can make your order from the automatic grab. So that is the quick way to earn in the site. But let me show you how to deposit to activate your earning. So immediately you come to the home page, or if you are the my page, there are two sites you can deposit from. They are the personal info, order record, account details, teams report, announcement, friends invitation, app download, help, guide. So this all is self-explanatory. This is to get your info of the site, your order record, the account details, which is how much you've invested and you are withdrawing. The team report is the amount of people you have referred. This is to get your invitation link, which we'll talk later, and the latest announcement. So if you want to deposit, you click on deposit, you select the network you wish to deposit on, and then you come here to this place. When you come here, you'll be given a receiver address down here. As you can see, I've copied my receiver's address. I'll put, if I want to deposit from 0 to 30 of that range, or 1 to 30, I'll click on 30. If I want to deposit from 30 to 50, or from 31 to 50, I click on 50. If I want to deposit from 51 to 100, I click on 100, and so on and so forth. So after I've copied the site, I will go to my favorite wallet, or whichever wallet I wish to transfer to this site. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you the Binance wallet. So I'm going to use the Binance wallet to deposit in this site. Okay guys, welcome back. I'm at the Binance app, where I'm going to show you how to send. So if you want to withdraw to the site, notice I copied the address already, and I'll click on withdraw, and I'll click on USDT, or search the USDT if I haven't searched it before, the USDT, and I'll come to withdraw, and I will go to send via crypto wallet. I've already made my transaction, so I won't do an exact transaction. So I'll come here and paste the address, select the network. Please don't forget this. Select the network TRC20 and confirmed. Then I'll come here and put the amount I want to deposit and click on withdraw. But I'm not making the deposit for now. So after clicking on withdraw, you know how to make the confirmation process. If you've successfully withdrawn, you'll be brought to this site where you'll be given a history that you just withdrawed. After you make each withdrawal, you have to click on this site, this tiny and history site. I'll click on it where the timer is, and then you come to your history of withdrawal. So I already withdrawed into the site. So after my withdrawal, please make sure to take a screenshot of the withdrawal and also copy your TX ID. Don't forget, copy your TX ID. So after copying your TX ID, you go back to the site. I made a deposit of 20 and it's between the range of 1 to 30, so I'll click on 30. I'm going to paste the transaction ID here. Notice the transaction ID will be pasted here, so I'll paste the transaction ID here. Then up here I'm going to upload a screenshot of the transaction. So guys, as you can see, I made a screenshot of the transaction and I also put my transaction ID. So make sure it's okay with the amount, then you click on confirm. So if you click on confirm, they'll ask you if you are sure. So after clicking on confirm, you come to the site and refresh, and if you refresh, you see the amount which you transferred is in the site, or you log out and log in again. So I'm also going to show you how to contact the customer care. If you're confused or if you don't know anything about this site, you contact the customer service on business, on funding, and also a normal chat, and they are ready to answer you anytime, anywhere. Another thing is the friends referral. I'm going to show you about the friends referral, and let's go to the beginner's tutorial, and I'm going to show you the friends referral. So you can come here and read your deposit and how much you get. I also told you from the level 1, your deposit you get 0.26. that is 500 times 0.26, and that will be earning for that day. Then you move it to the balance appreciation to increase. So this is a amount of levels you need. So the level 1, you don't need any invite subordinate, but to go to the level 2, you need to have 5 active user. Okay, 5 active user, and after your account balance reaches 500 USDT, you can start the level 2, and the level 3 is 2000 USDT to gain more referrals and more reward. So about the subordinate, now each person you refer to the program, you are going to earn a reward. Like if you come here, you can read it, this slide at the site. So when you invite when your 5th deposit up to your 5th subordinate, which is your 5th referral, deposit up to 18.100 USDT, you get the reward of 18.88 USDT. And when your 10th subordinate deposits up to 100 USDT, you get the reward of 58.88 USDT. So you can keep having more rewards and more rewards. So this is the commission also of the order. You get 60% of the order the person your level 1 makes or you make every day. So you get 60% of his order, your level 1, and your level 2 you get 8% of the order they make every day. So this is a fast get rich quick with your friends. So you can use it to get rich. And if you want to get your code, you come to the profile and click on friends invitation. So you can come here and copy your code. This is to copy the invitation link using your code, and this is to copy only your code. So share with your friends and you can earn more money in the site. The site is easy, you can work from home, it does not require age or gender, just your mobile number. So lastly, I'm going to show you how to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw from the site, you click on withdraw, you enter the amount, and please, you need to set your transaction password. So after setting your transaction password and you put the amount you want to withdraw, you come to confirm. Now you have to read it. Notice the minimum withdrawal is from 20 to 1 million USDT. So invest what you can afford to risk. For the time I'm making this video, this site is paying, and the number of withdrawals you have to make is daily is 1. So today I haven't made any withdrawal, and I hope to invest more. So I'm keeping this capital in the site for now to multiply, and I'll keep putting it in the balance appreciation. So for about a month, I can help up to like 500 USDT or 1000 USDT, or if I even use 1000 USDT to invest, I can earn more and more. So that will be all for the Enuri site. I'm just bringing it to your notice so you can invest, and make sure you make your own research before you invest in this platform. And this is the earning site I bring to you today. This is Crypto Cypher. Don't forget to hit on the notification button and subscription button to get notified each time I make a video. Thanks for watching, and many more greens to your wallet.